Hey guys, Mbrp here. Welcome to my garage. Today we've got the Pro XP 1000 Turbo in the shop, and I want to show you a product offering from Mbrp. Before we check that out though, let's see what the factory sent us. You know what? It's kind of big, it's a little heavy, it's covered in heat shields, and it's way too quiet. I know you guys like to have a little extra sound, so let's see what Mbrp is going to offer us. So just quickly, front pipe stays in place, sensor stays in place, and we pick it up right here with stainless steel laser cut flanges, stainless steel T304 Mbrp band tubing, MIG welds of course for longevity and something that you can just beat on, stainless steel T304 muffler, straight through, high flow. We've utilized stock spring locations, we've utilized stock rubber hanger locations, of course again with T304 bracketry, and then we exit into a large diameter tailpipe section and giving you provisions to bolt the factory OE spark arrestor into place. So this particular unit is our quietest offering. It's got a nice deep low rumble. It is not loud and obnoxious. You can see we've tucked it way back in there. We've pushed it up as high as we can. So go ahead and bolt on any accessories that you wish at the back of your bike. There you have it. This one's all done. Let's get it outside, hear what it sounds like. I just want to let you guys see what the exhaust sounds like in different conditions. So here we are pushing a little bit, just driving easy. Remember, this is the 9524 SP. So you know what? Been playing around with this thing for a little while. We get out on a road, 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour. You know what? Yeah, not obnoxious at all. I'm gonna just accelerate here. 30 miles an hour. You know what? You can accelerate. You're not obnoxious in this particular part number on this bike. And I don't think anyone riding behind you or with you is going to say that, you know, that's just a super aggressive exhaust system. So, yeah, you know what? No issues whatsoever. As you've seen, a simple install. Yeah, cool looking, cool sound. Here we are cruising along at 25, 30 miles an hour, gravel road. And you know what? You could ride this bike all day long, wheel it around the corners, through the mud. I don't think you're going to get tired of this one whatsoever. Even, you know, here we are getting up to 40 miles an hour, running down a dirt road, not an issue whatsoever. Yeah, you know what, 9524 SP, bolted on, drive all day, just have fun with it. Bottom line is, don't get in trouble, not pissing off the neighbors, and you can drive it all day and enjoy it. Check it out at mbrp.com.